In this video, I'm going to explain about the very strange issue in the ICM CFD. For example, here I have the mesh quality which is around 0.905, and other mesh matrices, they are also of the highest quality possible. For example, the angle is 40 degrees plus, and when I convert this mesh into the anastomosis mesh, and then I try to export the mesh. So from output mesh, we have the safe mesh. Open the another mesh file which we created from the pre-mesh and click on the done. So first it will save the project files, including the blocking, the mesh, and the project file itself, and we get this problem. So it is showing that face near node number 1 is attached to more than 2 cells. So to find out this problem, so I'm just going to edit mesh, and from edit mesh, because I cannot find any issue in the blocking quality matrix quality function, and therefore I'm going to edit mesh. And but before you go to edit mesh, you have to convert the pre-mesh into the unstructured mesh. And then the third option is the check mesh, and click on the apply. And from here you can see that we have the issue of the duplicate elements, and to recognize that where these elements exist, we have to create the subset, and therefore click on create subset, and this should be somewhere here. So if you hide the mesh like the shares and volumes, and you will find that we have the some subset for the meshing, which you can see here, the duplicate elements. And this indicates that we have there are the basically two blocks on the same location, and we have to delete the one of the blocks from there, and definitely we have to make the some corrections between the blocks which are on the two sides of this block. And that before that, first of all, we have to enable the blocking, and just go to the blocking, and from blocking click on the delete block, and make sure that you select the delete permanently. Okay, then the next thing is that we have to hide the block, hide the geometry, and just move the blocks around so that if there is something, if they are not connected, they can be identified easily. So I don't see here any problem, and at the same time I can see this is the black color edge, and so we must associate this edge to the curve, but keep in mind that it's not necessary to associate all the edges to all the curves. The only important periphery edges to be associated to the curves, but since we have did for all the edges, so that's why I don't want to leave this one edge here, and I'm just going to associate this edge as well. And at the same time I want to see the association of edges and the vertices to the points and the edges to the curves. They are correct. If they are to the some pointing to some round curve, so you will see the some green arrow pointing to from the edge here, let's say to the curve here, but it's not happening here. At the same time I want to see the mesh quality, and if there's some problem I can check it here. Angle is okay, and the determinant quality is around 0.9 plus. And now I'm going to convert the pre-mesh into the unstructured mesh and see that what happens again. And by the visual inspection I don't see any problem, but here I can see some issue. So the problem might be the association of faces. So click on the faces, right click here and click on the face projection. So it is pointing to some wrong geometry, which is the current A1, but this should be to the channel A1. So I'm just going to the reassociate this surface, this face to the correct geometry. So select the face, and the correct geometry is the channel A1 1. So channel A1 1 and accept. And everything else is perfectly okay, and I don't see any issue at all. Okay, now again convert the pre-mesh into the instructional mesh and replace the old mesh. See it in the solid view, and now again I will be checking the mesh quality from the edit mesh, and I will be running the check mesh and apply. So there is no error, and I will proceed with the export mesh. And by default ICM CFD will be saving the first, it will be saving project file, and then it will export the mesh. Okay, so we have done, and there's no error at all even in this step. So I will proceed with the mesh import, and by default it will write down the name as a fluent.msh, but if you want to give any name, you can do it in the mesh export or mesh save panel. Now read the mesh file, and also you must make sure that the quality should be of highest standard in the fluent as well. And you can see the minimum orthogonal quality is 0.64, and the 1 is the best, 0 is the worst, and 0.01 is the minimum for the fluent. And if you display the mesh, because it's only single part, and you can change the color by the ID, or you can make it solid view by displaying only faces. So this is the solution for the when we have the error that the mesh has the neighboring volume elements, or there are the two cells to the one element. So because we have the multiple, there are the multiple mesh entities, like there are two blocks on the same location, and when we trying to convert the pre-mesh into the unstructured mesh, so we were getting the duplicate elements. So that's why it was saying that there are the two elements, the two cells for the one phase. And after getting that blocking material, the block from there, and then making sure that everything is all right, we also did the one association for the edge and one association for the phase, and finally we get the corrected mesh with the highest quality.